Here we begin Lesson 2, a discussion of the use of the compass. The compass is such an iconic tool in our cultural view of the navigator that it immediately comes to mind as essential to the craft. Rightly so, but it is worth understanding that while the compass is incontestably a valuable tool, it is a relatively late addition to the art of navigation, only coming into common use even in the 1500s in Western culture. And in fact, some very powerful navigational cultures never discovered it nor adopted it. It is essential to understand that the primary tool of the navigator is and always will be intuition. Intuition first, all else follows. The compass can be a powerful tool of the navigator, but the essential mistake of the novice is to follow it. Never follow the compass. The compass tells one nothing about where one is going, only what direction one is facing. This is of extreme utility, of course, but the going itself remains and will always remain an intuitive expression. So use the compass thusly. Hold it in the hand and find the bearing of the direction one is facing. Sight a prominent, easily identifiable object that lies in the direction of the compass sights. Now put the compass away. Walk to the object. Again, never follow the compass. So a classic exercise from orienteering of the use of the compass follows. One needs a quality hand-bearing compass and some kind of nondescript marker object. A large nail or a coin or other object suffices. Initially, a large grass field makes for an ideal practice site. One marks a site on the field by placing the marker. The marker should not be visible except vertically, nor should the marker be located near other visual cues. One may then, having placed the marker, choose to walk, for example, due north as indicated by the compass for, perhaps, 50 paces. One then turns 90 degrees to the right and walks 50 paces due east. One then turns 90 degrees to the south and walks 50 paces. One then turns 90 degrees to the east and walks 50 paces, retrieving then the marker. Many may find this challenging. If one finds this to be easy, expand the field. If this is hard, diminish the number of strides. One discovers very quickly that error is additive. Many versions of this exercise can be imagined by the dedicated practitioner, and as it is such an essential skill, there is no possible way to overdevelop it. Obviously, consistent sense of distance and direction both are needed to succeed. Best of luck.